Alright. Just chilling in the backyard, you know. Breathing in the smoke. Yeah, turns out our fire level warnings were mainly rumors spread by Facebook. So things were clarified when the mayor, expressed that it was nothing more than real hearsay. So, and rumors. So that's wonderful. Apparently we weren't even in a level 1, let alone 2 or anything, so thanks, people, for the misinformation that I helped spread. I know how to change some descriptions and stuff, a little bit of my titles, my videos, just to keep the misinformation from spreading. Oh yeah, just chilling. Got my birthday tomorrow, I guess. Probably gonna go down and see my little fur babies, my little kitty cats, my Nitty, my Kiki. Could probably just put some videos on them because they're so damn cute. Yep. Just hanging out. Property's thoroughly soaked, which I guess is a good preventative. But that's neither here nor there. Want to see some cool rocks I found? That one, and they're just chunking. Yep. Pretty solid, eh? So yeah. Let's go see what the lizards are doing. There they are. I left my beer here. Hackers, are you hiding behind that leaf? I don't know why, but I guess they kind of like chilling under the plants and eating bugs. Yep. Well, when I get back here, hopefully all the smoke's cleared out and go work on getting everything ready to put a greenhouse in. It's gonna be pretty cool. These are my potatoes. Yeah, they're getting large. Yep. Still pretty hazy, as you can see. It smells more like somebody's just been burning in the area instead of like, everything's on fire. Which everything still is kind of on fire, but at least it's not close enough to where we have to fully worry about it. At least not this year. This is a great plant. Gotta go up and around. Up this thing now. Yep. The meters. Yeah, this is all a work in progress. It'll look way better in a few weeks. So yeah, I'll keep you all updated on what's going on. Once this loses all traction and kind of disappears for the year, we'll find something new to focus on. Maybe there'll be something else exciting going on or something. For now, I'll be tuning out. So, yeah. Stay thirsty, my friends.